Dear children, previous video I have explained exercise 13.3 up to question number 7. Now let's see question number 8. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? Water in a canal you know that, then that is we used to make some path for flowing water. It is just like it is in the form of a cupboard, path for flowing water from one place to other, especially for irrigating the field and all. Then farmers, they use this canal that is in the shape of a cupboard only. Then water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep. Its width is 6 meter width and 1.5 meter deep. Its depth is 1.5 meter. Then it has a length, that is a long distance will be there, that a canal, water is flowing through that canal, long distance will be there. So length it is not given here. And this water is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. In this through this canal, water is flowing at a speed of 10 km per hour. Then what is by 10 km per hour? Water will flow 10 km in 1 hour. That is, just we stopped here. After that we are allowing that water to flow through that canal. After 1 hour it will reach 10 km. That is the meaning. Its speed is 10 km per hour. 1 hour it will reach 10 km. Okay, now what is the question? How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? In 30 minutes, how much area will it irrigate? That is irrigating the field. Okay, then that water we are using for irrigating the field. Then how much area of land will irrigate in how many minutes? In 30 minutes. If 8 centimeter of standing water is needed, 8 centimeter of standing water is needed means a height of the water in the field. That is, we are going to irrigate the field only. In that field, 8 centimeter standing water is needed to irrigate that. Then if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed in the field, then how much area we can irrigate in 30 minutes using this water through this canal? That is the question. Okay, now first we will write the width of the canal. Width of the canal. Width of the canal is equal to, or width of the canal we can write it is a breadth B is equal to 6 meter. Depth of the canal is 1.5 meter. That we can write a height of the canal. Height of the canal, depth of the canal or height of the canal, same only. Height of the canal H is equal to 1.5 meter. Breadth is equal to 6 meter and height is equal to 1.5 meter. Now speed of water is equal to, what is the speed of water? Speed of water is equal to 10 km per hour. 10 km per hour. We have to convert it into meter per second because breadth and height it is given in meter. That is why this kilometer we are going to convert it into meter. 1 kilometer is equal to how much meter? 1000 meter per hour. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So we will write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 10 km per hour means we can write 10 km divided by 1 hour. 10 km is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter is equal to, 10,000 meter. 10,000 meter. 1 meter is equal to, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 10 km is equal to 10,000 meter divided by 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 10,000 meter divided by 60 minutes. Therefore, water flowing through the canal, water flowing through the canal in 1 minute is equal to, in 1 minute is equal to, how much it will come? 10,000 10,000 meter per 60 minute. That is in 60 minute it will cover 10,000 meter. Then in 1 minute is equal to water flowing through the canal. In 1 minute is equal to how much it will come? But in 60 minute it is 10,000 meter. Then in 1 minute is equal to it will come 10,000 divided by 60 meter. In 1 minute is equal to 10,000 divided by 60 meter. Water flowing through the canal in 1 minute is equal to 10,000 divided by 60 meter. So here we can write in 1 minute, that is in 1 minute it will cover 10,000 divided by 60 meter. 1 minute is equal to, the speed of water is 10,000 meter divided by 60 minute. 10,000 meter divided by 60 minute means in 60 minute it will cover 10,000 meter. So water flowing through the canal in 1 minute is equal to, then 1 minute how much it will cover, that is 10,000 divided by 60 meter it will cover in 1 minute. Then that is, it is flowing through the canal. Okay, that is from here, suppose we closed here, then here we are closing. After that we will check the timing and just we are opening here. After 1 minute it will cover 10,000 divided by 60 minute. That is the length of the water, okay, in 1 minute. Length of water or length of this keyboard we can write in 1 minute. In 1 minute it will cover 10,000 divided by 60 meter. 10,000 divided by 60 meter. Therefore we can write, therefore volume of water flowing through the canal in 1 minute is equal to, how can we find out the volume of the water flowing through the canal in 1 minute? Is equal to length into breadth into height. That is equal to length into breadth into height, because it is in the form of a keyboard. Then length is equal to, that is water flowing through the canal in 1 minute, that is the length. That we will take length for finding out the volume of water flowing through the canal in 1 minute. That is equal to 10,000 divided by 60 meter into breadth is equal to 6 meter into height is equal to 1.5 meter. Now 0 we can cancel here. 6 divided by 6 we can cancel. That is equal to 1000 into 1.5. 1000 into 1.5 is equal to, what is the answer? Then 1.5 into 10. If you multiply this decimal point will we can remove that decimal point. Then 15 into 100 it will come. That is 1,500. 1,500 meter into meter, that is meter cube. 1,500 meter cube water is flowing through the canal in 1 minute. Then how many minutes we have to find out? 30 minutes. That is, therefore water flowing through the canal, in 30 minutes is equal to 30 into, in 1 minute volume of water, then this one is volume of water flowing through the canal in 30 minutes. Volume of water flowing through the canal in 1 minute is equal to, we got 1,500 meter cube. Therefore volume of water flowing through the canal in 2 minutes is equal to, how much you will get? 2 into 1,500, that is 3,000 meter cube. Here we want to find out in 30 minutes. So volume of water flowing through the canal in 30 minutes is equal to, it will come 30 into 1,500 meter cube. That is equal to 15 threes are 45, then 3 zeros are there, so it will come 45,000 meter cube. Water flowing through the canal in 30 minutes. Volume of water flowing through the canal in 30 minutes is equal to 45,000 meter cube. So this 45,000 meter cube water is reaching there in the land to irrigate. So we want to find out the how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes. So here we can write, then volume of water in the field is equal to, that is this much water it is flowing there in the canal. So volume of water in the field is equal to, we can write volume of water flowing through the canal in 30 minutes. So here we will write, therefore volume of water in the field is equal to volume of water in the field is equal to 45,000 meter cube. 45,000 meter cube. Therefore, volume of water in the field is equal to volume of the water in the field, that is area into a height it will come. That is, it is just imagine that field also is in the in a plain area. Just imagine that it is a plain area. Then and the plain area means if just imagine that it is in the form of a rectangle, and there we are flowing this water, or we are irrigating that field, then its area, how much area is there, into height, that is the volume of water in the field. So volume of water in the field is equal to, we can write area of that field into height of the water. Height of the water already it is given in the question. 8 centimeter of standing water is needed to irrigate that field. So that is the height of the water in the field. Height of the water in the field. So volume of water in the field is equal to, we can write area of the field into height is equal to, how much it is here, 45,000 meter cube. Then area of field is equal, area of field into height is equal to height of the water, that is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter convert into meter, what will get answer? 8 divided by 100 meter, because it is given in meter cube, that is why this 8 centimeter, this centimeter we have to convert into meter, then it will come 8 divided by 100 meter is equal to 45,000 meter cube. 45,000 meter cube. Now 8 divided by 100 meter transpose into right side, then we will get the area of the field. Then therefore area is equal to 45,000 meter cube divided by 100 transposing to right side, it will become into 100. 8 meter transposing to right side divided by 8 meter. Then that is equal to, therefore area is equal to, area of the field is equal to 45,000 into 100. 45,000 into 100 it will come 45 lakh. 45,000 into 100, 45 lakh divided by denominator it is there 8. Okay, now divide it. 5 8s are 40, remainder 5, bring down the next digits 0, 50, 6 8s are 48, remainder 2, bring down the next digit 0, 8 2s are 16, remainder 4, bring down the next digit 0, 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40. Now 2 zeros are here, that we have to put in the answer, that is 5,62,500. Then meter cube divided by meter, 1 meter we can cancel, it will become a meter square. So area of the field is equal to 5,62,500 meter square. Meter square. Area of the field. Area of the field we can irrigate. That is how much area will irrigate in 30 minutes. That was the question. So in 30 minutes how much area we can irrigate? 5,62,500 meter square. Therefore area of the field can be irrigated in 30 minutes. In 30 minutes is equal to, what is the answer? 5,62,500 meters square. That is the answer. Okay, now question number 9. A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank be filled? How much time will the tank be filled? That is the question. A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter. This one is the pipe. Pipe, we know that it is in the form of a cylinder. Its internal diameter it is given here. Internal diameter is equal to 20 centimeter. And it is connected to a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter in diameter. Diameter of the tank is 10 meter. This diameter is equal to 10 meter. And 2 meter deep, depth of the tank is 2 meter, or height of the tank is 2 meter. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, water flowing through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, that means the speed of the water through the pipe is 3 km per hour. In how much time will the tank be filled? How much time will take to fill this tank? That is the question. Okay, now first we will write diameter of pipe is equal to diameter of pipe. Diameter of pipe is equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the pipe that we will take R1 is equal to 20 divided by 2, that is equal to 10 centimeter. 20 divided by 2 centimeter, that is equal to 10 centimeter, is equal to, we will convert it into meter. Why? Because in the tank also its dimensions it is given in meter, that is its diameter 10 meter and height also or depth also 2 meter. In meter it is given there. So this centimeter also we will convert into meter. 10 centimeter is equal to how much meter? 10 divided by 100 meter, that is equal to 0.1 meter. That is the radius of the pipe. Radius of the pipe is equal to 0.1 meter. Now it is given here, if water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, that means speed of water, that is the speed of the water through the pipe. Speed of water through the pipe is equal to 3 km per hour. 3 km per hour. That means in 1 hour it will cover 3 km. That is the speed of that water. In 1 hour 3 km. This kilometer per hour also we will convert into meter per minute. Meter per minute, that is equal to 3 km is equal to how much meter? 1 km is equal to 1000 meter. 2 km 2000 meter. 3 km is equal to 3000 meter. Per 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 minute. This one we can cancel. 3000 meter per 60 minute means 3000 meter divided by 60 meter. 0 we can cancel. 6 5s are 30, so it will come 50. That is equal to 50 meter per minute. 50 meter per minute. That means remember, water is flowing through the pipe at the rate of 50 meter per minute. That means 1 minute it will cover 50 minute. 1 minute it will cover 50 meter. 1 minute it will cover 50 meter. Just imagine that. Then from here water is starting, it is flowing at the rate of 50 meter per minute. Then after 1 minute it reached here, then that means this length of the pipe is equal to how much meter? 50 meter. Length of the pipe is equal to 50 meter we can write. So here first we will find out the volume of water. Volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 minute. Therefore volume of water flowing through the pipe. Flowing through the pipe in 1 minute. In 1 minute is equal to, this pipe is in the form of a cylinder. We know that formula. What is the formula? Pi r square h. Radius we got here. Radius of the pipe is equal to R1 is equal to 0.1 meter. And height is equal to, we can take 50 meter. Why? Because in 1 minute, then that is speed of water is given here 50 meter per minute, means in 1 minute it will cover 50 meter. That means height of the pipe is equal to, we can take 50 meter. So here we can write volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 minute is equal to pi r square h. That is the formula. So that we can write pi r square, pi r1 square h. Then that is equal to pi into r1 square. R1 is equal to 0.1 meter into 0.1 meter into 0.1 meter into height h is equal to, that we will take the 50 meter per minute. In 1 minute it will cover 50 meter. That is the height of that pipe. So height is equal to, we can take 50 meter. Height is equal to 50 meter. Then that is equal to, multiply that pi into 0.1 into 0.1. or 50 into 0.1, that is 50 into 1, 50, 50 into 1, again it will become 50, then 2 decimal points we have to put there, 2 decimal points means it will come 0.5 meter into meter into meter, that is meter cube, then that is equal to, we can write 0.5 pi meter cube, 0.5 pi meter cube. That is the volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 minute. In 1 minute, 0.5 pi meter cube water will flow through that pipe. Then just imagine that in 1 minute it will flow 0.5 pi meter cube water. Then just imagine that water can be filled in t time, t minutes. Okay, just you will take it as t minute. That is, then time taken by the pipe to fill the tank. Fill the tank is equal to time taken by the pipe to fill the tank is equal to, just we will take a t minute. Therefore, volume of water through the pipe in t minute is equal to, how much it will come in t minute? That is, volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 minute is equal to, we got 0.5 pi meter cube. Volume of water flowing through the pipe in 2 minutes is equal to 2 into 0.5 pi meter cube. In 3 minutes it will come 3 into 0.5 pi meter cube. Then in t minutes how much it will come? T into 0.5 pi meter cube. So here we can write T into 0.5 pi meter cube. Then that is equal to, we can write volume of water through the pipe in t minute is equal to volume of the tank. Volume of the tank. That is, in t minute, here we have taken time taken by the pipe to fill the tank is equal to t minute. Time taken by the pipe to fill this tank is equal to t minute. Then in t minute, how much water is flowing through this pipe? That is t into 0.5 pi meter cube. Then that water, it is filled here in the tank. So we can write volume of the tank is equal to volume of the water flowing through the pipe in t minute. So volume of water flowing through the pipe in t minute is equal to, we can write, that is the volume of that tank. So volume of water through the pipe in t minute is equal to, already we got answer here, that is t into 0.5 pi meter cube is equal to volume of tank. Volume of a tank is equal to, this tank also in the form of a cylinder. Therefore we can write volume of tank is equal to pi r square h. Then that is equal to T into 0.5 pi meter cube is equal to pi into, what is the radius of this cylindrical tank? It is given here diameter, that is, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. Its diameter is 10 meter, therefore radius it will come half of diameter, that is 5 meter. It is 5 meter. So here r square is equal to, we can write 5 meter into height h is equal to, how much it will come? 2 meter. Then now time we want to find out, that is the question, in how much time will the tank be filled? Then time taken by the pipe to fill the tank is equal to, I took t minute. So t we want to find out, into 0.5 pi meter cube we will transpose into right side. Then we will get answer t is equal to pi into 5 meter into 2 meter divided by into 0.5 pi meter cube transposing to right side, it will become divided by 0.5 pi meter cube. Then that is equal to pi we can cancel, 5 divided by 0.5 we can cancel. 5 divided by 0.5 is equal to what will come answer? 5 divided by 0.5. 5 divided by 0.5. Multiply numerator and denominator by 10. What will come answer? 5 into 10, 50 divided by 0.5 into 10, that is 5. 50 divided by 5, what is answer? 10. So here it will come 5 divided by 0.5 is equal to 10 meter cube divided by meter cube we can cancel. Remaining what is there? 10 into 5 into 2. Then T is equal to 10 into 5, 50 into 2, that is 100 minutes. So in 100 minutes this pipe will fill this water tank. That is water tank we can fill in 100 minutes. That is yes.